Yes, student. Today I'm going to start my new class, e-classes, because in this lockdown I want your study must go on. Video I'm starting from class 9 chemistry chapter 1, and further I will explain all the chapters in this class. So, student, I am going to start lesson 1, matter in our surrounding. To explain matter in our surrounding, I want to explain first what is matter. Matter, it is everything, whatever you see around yourself. Anything, this pen, this board, or anything, whatever you see your surrounding, all things are matter. Even our body also made up of matter. Now, matter, how we can define matter? Matter is those substances which occupy space and having some mass are called matter. For example, now I am giving some examples here. You see, table is, it have mass. Yes, table have mass. It occupies space, means it is a matter. Chair, it has mass, it occupies space. It is also a matter. Air, all of you know, it also occupies space, means it is matter. Thought, it occupies space? No. It has mass? No, means it is not a matter. Love, it also do not occupy space and do not have its mass, means love, it is not a matter. Now I am going to explain characteristics of matter. Now I am going to explain characteristics of matter. Matter are made up of small particles. These small particles we say atoms and molecules. You later study about the atoms and molecules. Have space between them. All the small particles have a space between them. Okay, particles are in constant motion. Particles of matter always in motion. Particles attract each other. Particles of matter always attract each other. I explain all these properties with the help of activity. So now I am going to explain all the characteristics of matter in detail. Matter made up of small particle. All the matter is made up of small particle. You can understand when we break down any matter, any substance, then at last we reach at the point where we cannot break it. This is the smallest particle. We say that atoms or molecules. Now second, all the matter's particle have a space between them. When we mix sugar, we take 1 glass of water and we add 1 or 2 spoon sugar and we stir it. After mixing, we see that level of water not increase, means where this sugar went, means the sugar settle down between the space of 2 atoms of water. This so that all the particles of matter have space between them. Matter's particles are constantly in motion. Here you can see this property. We can say that kinetic property of matter. All the particles of matter constantly in motion. You can take 1 glass of water, it is transparent, and 1 drop of ink or color you add, and you only watch. You can see that all the color slowly moving everywhere like that. This is your container, and if in this container you take water and 1 drop of color you add here, then after some time you see that colors particle moving, and after 1 or 2 hours you can see that all the water become colorful. Means this so that without stirring all the water become colorful. This show that particles of matter constantly in motion. Particles attract each other. Particles attract each other means whenever we throw this pen, then all the particles of this matter, whatever matter is made up of, it do not scattered. means all the particles of matter attract each other. All the matter is made up of small particles like that, and then space between them. You see that all the particles of matter have space between them, and particles are constantly in motion. They are moving randomly, and now particles of matter attract each other. This space we say intermolecular space, and the force of attraction we say cohesion force and or intermolecular force of attraction. I'm going to explain. Now I'm going to explain state of matter. Here all the matter, generally you see that only three states: solid, liquid and gas. But now in class 9 you will read all the matter exist in 5 states. First, solid. It has fixed shape and fixed volume, all of you know. Liquid, it has no fixed shape but fixed volume. Gaseous, this is the state in which matter do not have fixed shape or fixed volume. Plasma, this is the fourth state of matter. Fourth state of matter, in this state matter exists in very excited state. In ionic state, it is in ionic state all the atoms, all the particles of matter exist in ionic state, means charge state. Now Bose-Einstein condensate, this is the fifth state of matter. In this just opposite, in this fifth state Bose-Einstein condensate, these state particles of matter just opposite to plasma. They are in absolute zero temperature, means that time particles of matter have kinetic energy is zero.